Rivers Wildlife Management Area.
Dude, don't tell them our hot spot.
Or we're way down south somewhere, Dakotas, hunting for some pheasants. We've been hunting hard this area this year, hoping to kick up some feathers. Oh boy, he went that way.
Did he? Oh shit.
That was a far shot, I think.
Yeah, I was way too far. Well, he's definitely on the scent though. You know? Yeah, I think so. Hold on, I say we go hit that other side of that thicket, man. He probably just flew over there and dropped right in. He's got him. I won't, dude.
Get him, buddy. Good boy.
Hey. It's crazy how. What's that?
I was trying to wait for him to get off because Clyde was going to.
I had dead nuts on him, dude.
I had a feeling he went down over there because I thought I saw a little feather fly back.
Yeah. That was pretty cool though, man.
Yeah. I thought he was starting to run around like crazy, so.
Yeah, good boy, Clyde. Good boy. Probably get like last time. I've got nothing but sky. That's a male. That's a male pheasant there. Cock. As opposed to a hen, a cock.
All right.
Good job, buddy.
Good shot, dude.
Yeah, man.
Got a thing?
What's that?
You got a pouch?
No, I don't.
You can put him. I'll carry him for you. Nice, dude.
Yeah. Sweet.
Sweet. Now what do I do?
Now what do I do?
They call these Chinese chickens.
The Chinese chicken? Start licking? Alright, dude. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I'll bring my vest next so you don't have to carry out my weighted birds if I shoot anymore. He's got him. He's got him, Nuke.
Oh, right here.
Nice shooting, buddy. Nice. Good boy, Clyde. Nice job, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Hen?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. No, so he's still in here somewhere. Or...
Dead somewhere.
Yeah. She did get him. Nice. Let me see that hen. It's a nice looking hen.
Yeah.
And it has his head still. The last time.
We could take care of that.
Nice. Oh yeah. Pretty bird, man.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Yeah, now you got two in the bag. Bag's getting heavy. Thanks for carrying them all.
Sure, dude. No problem.
Nice shooting, buddy. He's got something, Nuke.
It's creepy. Sounds like a Tweety bird.
Dude, he's on something, man.
You ready, Fitzy?
Aye.
Your gun ready, dude.
Yeah, baby!
Sorry.
No, that's all right. It was your shot, man, all day long.
I didn't know he was going to be right there.
That's awesome, man. Oh, shoot! Got him! Yeah, baby! We just limited it out.
Yeah, buddy.
That's freaking awesome.
Good job, bud.
Good job, Clyde. Woohoo! Look at him. He's got a mouth full of feathers. Dude, that was too cool.
They were probably mating. It's the rut right now.
It's the rut right now for pheasants.
Go, boy, get the other one. Go get it.
So we got a cock.
2 cocks and 2 hens.
Nice.
Or right now. I think
Yeah. Nice, baby. I didn't expect that one. That second one, I kind of put my gun down and put my safety back on, and all of a sudden, boom, he popped up, and I was like, holy moly. Yeah, baby! Man. Oh, shoot! Got him! 4 birds, man. Nice.
Good heat.
There we go, he's dead.
Good boy, good boy.
Good boy, Clyde. Good boy, Clyde. Look at that. He smelled them awesome, dude. He did awesome.
Yeah.
Pointed, stopped, and everything.
Yeah, he gave us time to set up.
Yeah.
I think it's better when you can't see him.
Right, yeah. Because if he sees him, he chases him.
Yeah. You'll be all right.
Nice. Good job, buddy.
I'll carry these.
Did you dump the other ones?
Yeah, they're in the back.
Dude, that would have been cool if you had 4 birds in your back. All that weight. The blunt force trauma, there's a little blood on his head.
I didn't even see the one. I knew he was on him, but. And then the second one, that was a fucking surprise.
That was a big time surprise, man. I was like, oh yeah, cool, 1 bird. We got, we got 3. And all of a sudden, boom, he popped up. I think they were, man. It's pheasant mating season.
We're deep into the rut.
Yeah, we're deep in the pheasant rut right now. Awesome. All
right, let's get
right, man. Yeah. Now you're gonna teach us how to clean them, right, Nuke?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, buddy.
Maximum meat.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, Nuke.
All right, dude. So you lay them on their backs like that.
Okay.
Okay. You gotta spread your wings out.
Hmm.
Yep. You step on it real close.
Okay.
Like this. Okay.
Now, how did you learn how to do this?
I YouTube it. There's millions of these videos on YouTube. And you take their legs.
Yeah, it'd be cool if Clyde would get out of the...
Yep. And you just steady, not jerky.
Okay, steady.
Nice steady pull. Like this.
Oh, awesome.
So that's their legs. You can keep their legs if you want.
But there's not much meat on them. It's like a little itty bitty chicken leg. And those are the breasts right there, I see them.
This, yeah. There's the breasts.
Nice.
He's kind of got it. You got a knife. You can get the rest of that shit out of there.
Yeah, maybe I do. Yeah. I don't think I have.
Clyde starts eating all the guts and shit and throwing that up later in the house.
You know what? I don't think I have a knife. Where'd he go? He's camouflaged. Oh, there he is. Or she. This is the ass woman. This one's a little stiff. This must be the first bird. One of the first birds. She's starting to stiff. Rigor mortis is starting to set in on this one. That's my EMT and me talking. You know what I mean? You can take the boy out of EMT school, but you can't take the EMT out of the boy.
Thanks for doing the video, dude.
Yeah, man. Dude, I don't want to jinx it, man. I'm hoping we got some good.
Hey. Hey. Drop it. Clyde. Hacking this shit up later. Stop.
I did better that one, Nuke. I got the head out that time.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Thanks, dude.
Fire that thing into the woods.
Way in the woods? I'll put it over here, so
yeah.
Coyote or something will get it, or fox.
Fox will love that.
Mm-hmm. It'll be good eating. Gotta help the poor little foxes out, man.
Boy.
Guess what, Nuke?
What's up?
Oh, I couldn't find my scissors. There.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, maybe. That might be easier. That's kind of almost like a 2-man job, man. I mean, I'm guessing you've done this.
Well, this one's already kind of.
Take all the feathers out.
I just peel it back a little bit and then.
Okay. And then.
I don't know if breaking it helps, but those seem pretty sharp. Oh, my thumb.
I'll be like, I'll be like, Margaret, we're eating good tonight. You're like, get that away from me.
Would she try it, you think?
No.
No?
She won't fucking eat venison. She won't eat any of that shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, she grew up, you know, with her brother and, you know, dad kind of.
Will you eat this, you think? You're going to eat it?
I'll eat it, yeah.
Forever?
No, I'll probably eat it because I've never had it before, so.
Yeah.
I might eat it soon. I might leave a couple out and maybe salt them over the next couple days. Put them in some water and salt. That, like I do on the squirrels because it gets the blood and stuff out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, like I put them in a salt brine for like a day or two. And I might cook them up like soon, you know what I mean? I'm on vacation.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll make jerky
Let me know how it
and
goes.
take that out on the stand with me.